Hello everyone, and this is Vadi Joseph here with another video. We're going to be replacing this tail light. You see how it's nice and clear, shiny. And then this one's all foggy and stuff. So let's get to it. What you're going to need is a 15 Torx bit on anything. I used a drill, so yep. Gonna be 2 Torx screws on the side of it, and let's get to it. Also, you're gonna need some brains. Okay, what you're gonna do is try to get this out of the sun right there. There we go, one is done. Put those to the side. Now for the second one. Okay, got that one out. Now we take it off somehow. Right here. Wait, right there. Okay, it's on now. Well, look how clear that is. Very clear. Over this one, which is dull, and this one's clear. Let's turn on the backup lights. Okay, it's on. This one's the old, dull one. This one's nice and clear. Better for visibility. Okay, I guess this wraps up. Stay tuned for more videos, and see you guys next time.